Morning, folks. Morning. It's a beautiful morning. So, as per declaration for the week, this week we're going to make money. So the robot gave us a signal there. So we took it. We're already on 700. You can see the equity starts from where we ended last week. You can see that the balance is on 54,000 as you saw the last video last week. Now the equity is 56,000. We're on profits of 2,000 quickly like that. So I'm not eating alone, I'm eating with my students. As you can see, I'm eating with my students. As you can see, let me just autofocus so that you can see that I'm eating with my students. So I've gave them the signal. 51 members I'm having there. So we are eating with my students there. As you can see, I've given them the signal. So if I'm eating like this there, they are also eating like that. They will be sending their results soon. So as you can see, they will be sending their results soon, so that we can make money together. As you can see, we're already on 3,000. We're already on 3,000, heading to 4,000. So it's a very good morning. So guys, it's early in the morning and we're already making deep profits. We want to close 100,000 here. We want to close 100,000 on equity so that our balance can go to 100,000. 60,000, 62,000, as you can see, is running. The profits is running 7,000 profits, 8,000 profits, 9,000. As you can see, guys, I'm not touching anything here. It's all the work of the robot. I'm not doing anything here. So all I'm doing is to share what the robot gives me with my students. That's all I do. As you can see, there is nothing fishy that I'm doing here. I'm just letting the market run. There is nothing fishy that I'm doing here. I'm just letting the market run. As you can see, 5,000. So it's going up and down. That's not a problem. That is not really a problem. We're eating with my students there. So as you can see, my students have got the signal. They've got the take profit. Trade responsibly. Always trade responsibly, so that we are able to preserve and be consistent. That's all. Preserve and be consistent. That's all. So guys, the robot is doing the work. Let's just wait and see. So as you can see, we're already on 10,000 profits there. Okay, it's going up and down, but then it was on 9,000 now, 8,000 now. So it's going up and down. It doesn't matter. So let me check with my students. I hope they're eating. So I just sent a message to my students. As you can see, 10,000 touchdown. It's going up and down. So okay, I wanted to see, guys, this is not you see my students are typing there. They are typing there. A lot of them are typing, in fact. You see, we win. So guys, it's not, sometimes when you tell people that, we win, they don't trust. But now, if you can see it from my students, you are able to see that, no, we win indeed. So the robot, guys, is only 1,000 rand. So if you are not with us, the winning team, I don't know who you are with. We're heading to 15,000 now. So guys, I don't know. Yeah. Let's look at that. 17,000. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, come on. So the group is eating. I'm happy with what I see. So the robot is only 1,000 rand. So if you're from other countries, you can get it for $75. $75. That's it. $75. $75. Okay, one of my students sent a screenshot today. As you can see, they are eating, guys. They are eating. They are chowing. Look at that. Let me bring it closer. Let me bring it closer so that you can see. Let me autofocus. 800 rand profits from a 3,000 rand account. Wow, look at that, look at that, look at that. We're killing it, we're killing it, we're killing it. We're killing it, we're killing it, we're killing it. We are killing it, guys. We are killing it. I don't know what we are waiting for. So it's very, very simple. Let me quickly explain. So to get the robot, it's only 1,000 rand or 75 US dollar. To be in the group, it's 350. So if you want both, you need to pay 1,350 rands. 1,350 rands. If you want to be in both, 1,350. So for the international clients, if you want to get both, it's $100. If you want to get both of these, the group, you want to be in the group and you also want the robot, it's $100. $100. So that's all, guys. That's all you need to invest for you to change your life. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. 15,000, 17,000. It's going up. It's going up. So it's not a joke, guys. It's not a joke. Let's check the equity. The equity 70,000. I told you guys we want 100,000 here. We want 100,000 here. So we're not gonna close unless we get the 100,000. So guys, let's head straight. Let's head straight. We're going to kill it today. It's early in the morning and we're already making flames here. We're already making flames. I want us to see the charts. What did the robot see? What did the robot see? Let's look at what did the robot see. Oh, the robot saw, I think it saw a break here. It saw a break. Let me draw a trend line. I want to see if it was really a break. It was a break. This thing is insane. It was a break. Look at that. Look at the trend line I just drew. It was a break. The robot took a trade just after it broke here. Wow, that is marvelous. 20,000 profits. 20,000 profits. We're going to 77,000. We're heading to 80,000. We're going to 80,000. Okay, it's going up and down. It's fine. So the robot saw a broke there, guys. Wow, this thing is insane. This thing is insane, guys. I'm telling you guys, this year it should be the year to change your life. If you are not doing it, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing. Forex is life. Forex is life, guys. I'm telling you guys, you need to be buying your first house this year. You need to be buying your first car this year. You need to be taking your son or your daughter to private school this year. You need to be doing something about your life. You need to be doing something. Dollar emoji. I like that. Members, I like that. Let's do it. Let's kill it. Now, guys, as I was saying, you need to be taking changes or doing those changes in your life this year. This year is the year to be able to do the impossible. You know, you might be a teacher, you might be a security guard, you might be a clerk, you might be whatever that you are. You know, all you need to know is that you are able to do it. You will be able to do it. You are worth it. You know, you can't give up now. It's only the beginning of 2021. You can still make that change. Maybe you are about to give up. Maybe you are about to give in. You are about to say everything is on God's hands. Let me tell you something. Everything is on your hands right now. If you are not doing it, I don't know what you are doing. If you are not doing it, I don't know what is it that you are doing. Guys, get in contact with me. I will just leave my number on the screen here. You will see it on the screen here. I'll just leave my number and then make sure that you contact me. If you are not with this, with this team, I don't know which team you are with. You know, we're making flames here. We're making money, real cash, real hard cash. So if you are not with us, I don't know whom you are with. This is the winning team. Cheers, guys, and take care. Remember, 1,000 rand for the robot, 350 to join the group. If you want both, you need to pay 1,350. 1,350. So from international clients, I'm talking of any country besides South Africa, you pay $100 for both. But if you want one to be in the group only, it's $25. To be in the group, $25. For the robot, it's $75 US. So for both, if you want both at the same time, it's $100. So guys, take care and be safe during these hard trying times.